Do you want to know how you can log into your Altera Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Altera Payroll account. Go ahead and search for Altera Payroll login on your browser or your search bar and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Altera Payroll. You can see that this is the login portal where you can log in using your email address or your username. So go ahead and write down your username or email address in this first box and then write down your password in the second one. After you write down your password, make sure to check your password by clicking on this icon. After you write down your username and password, go ahead and click login and then you can successfully log in to your Altera Payroll account. If you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links you want to follow to retrieve back your username or recover your password once again. If you don't have an account yet and want to register, go ahead and click register an account and you can create an Altera Payroll account now. I hope this video about how you can log into your Altera Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.